Good day, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Julia Berlin. Solutron launched specific application-related instruments as applications move away from the one-unit-fits-all usage scheme. Extreme measurement focuses exactly at what you need. The APS-XM series are small units to save you lab space versus many existing potentiostats impedance analyzers on the market. If you take a look, now by one ModuLab set, you can actually put up to 3 of the new units. And these are the applications. Click on the link to hop directly to what you need. There's the Energy Lab, the ECHEM Lab, the Solar Lab, and the Materials Lab. They all belong to the XM series. The Energy Lab XM has been designed for low impedance systems, so for batteries, fuel cells, or supercapacitors especially. We have included multiple voltage ranges, which equip the system with a superior voltage resolution. So you don't need such a high AC galvanostatic amplitude to perform your impedance measurements as you would need with other systems out there. The big advantage is that your energy storage or energy conversion device doesn't feel as big a disturbance as it would with other setups. If you do have a system that never gets into an equilibrium state at all, our multi-sign impedance technique may help you through that. It speeds up the whole measurement time significantly and also provides you with non-linear measurement possibilities. By the way that the Energy Lab XM has been designed, it is great for large capacitances as often seen in supercapacitors. We do know that there are very low impedance systems, so our high galvanostatic AC amplitude that is oftentimes needed to measure such systems allow you to go up to plus minus 2 amps. So that should give you enough current to drive those systems and get a good response. The fast data acquisition rate allows for great resolution of DC techniques like GITT or PITT. And the variability of that means that only when there's big things happening in your sample, you have a lot of data points taken. If your system goes into equilibrium, the reduction of data points does not spam up your hard drive. The 4 auxiliaries that we have added allow for measurements of 4 cells in a stack simultaneously or simultaneous anode and cathode characterization both for AC and DC techniques. This setup is especially well suited for sensors and corrosion thanks to its 30 nanoamps lowest current range and its superior current resolution. The integrated high accuracy impedance makes this the ideal reference instrument for your lab. Our great suite of electrochemical experiments allow you to get really creative in whatever you need to do. The plus minus 100 volts may be of interest to you if you're working in environmental applications, like in wastewater treatment, where you usually work with very large cells. Or electroplating usually needs these high voltages, electrolysis, ionic liquids, or the biomass research. The Solar Lab XM is aimed at small solar cell research and photoelectrochemistry research. It is equipped with our plus minus 8 volts plus minus 300 milliamps potentiostat card and our high precision FRA. In addition, it comes with the photo-ECHEM interface, which allows completely automated control of the LED that is integrated in this optical table. And this gives you instant access to automated IMVS, IMPS, and many other typical techniques for these applications. The experiment is a complete auto-run technique. So all you need to do is click on play, and the solar cell is completely characterized on its own. You can just go ahead and leave it running overnight. Come back in the morning, and it's all there. One further click, and the program takes you to an Excel file, which does the complete analysis for you. This gives you access to the diffusion coefficient of electrons, lifetime of electrons, fill factor, maximum power, open circuit voltage, short circuit current, and the efficiency of your solar cell. Finally, you also get access to the trapped charge density. The light source has a NIST traceable calibration, and the optical bench is compact and distances are set. In short, everything is optimized for high repeatability of your measurements. IPCE is also available as additional option. Go have a look at the IPCE video to get all the details on that. And the full electrochemistry suite of experience is available too. So go ahead, get creative, and don't switch systems any longer. Last but not least, the Materials Lab XM. This is a compact and affordable high-precision impedance instrument for the measurement of dielectric properties of polymers, OLEDs, semiconductors, ceramics, perovskites, and the many other intelligent materials out there that I haven't mentioned. It comes with plus-minus 8 volts and plus-minus 100 milliamps. The impedance analysis goes from 10 microhertz to 1 megahertz. DC techniques like IV ramps or different types of pulses, as well as capacitance voltage measurements and different very complex AC techniques are available. So forget about that extra IV instrument sitting in your lab. The individual instrument calibration allows for best performance of every materials lab, and the AC correction makes impedance measurements in difficult areas of the contour plot possible. With the XM Studio software, equivalent circuit analysis is included, and it is fully compatible with all our accessories, like the cryostat, adding temperature as additional dimension to your measurement, and many other accessories, like this room temperature sample holder. So as you can see, we've just uncovered the surface. There's a lot more to discover. If you like what you saw, get in contact with a sales representative near you, and we'll make sure to get into your lab and show you what EPS XM can do. My name is Julia Berlin. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.